In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retry an answer in ChatGPT. If you've ever read a reply and thought it was close but not quite right, this quick workflow lets you generate a fresh take or nudge the response in a clearer direction, all without starting your conversation over. Begin by opening ChatGPT and navigating to the conversation where you receive the reply you want to improve. Scroll through your chat until you find that specific response. Take a moment to scan it and decide what you wish were different. Maybe you want a simpler explanation, a different tone, or a bit more detail on a certain part. Having that goal in mind will help you get a better retry. Now, move your cursor to the bottom of that reply. You'll see a small row of icons beneath the message. Look for the one with rotating arrows. That's the try again option. It's designed to quickly regenerate the model's answer for that exact point in the conversation, using the same context as before. Click the rotating arrows to trigger the retry. If you're happy to just see another version with no extra guidance, you can simply select Try Again and let ChatGPT produce a new take. This is great when you want a fresh phrasing or an alternative angle without changing your original prompt. The new attempt will appear right in the same thread, so you can compare it with what you already have. If you already know exactly how you want the answer to change, you can add a brief note before retrying. Type a short, direct instruction describing the adjustment you want, such as asking for a more concise summary, a friendlier tone, or extra clarification on a particular point mentioned in the original reply. Keep your note specific and clear. A sentence or two is plenty. Then use the Try Again option, and ChatGPT will generate a revised response that follows your guidance while still respecting the original context. That's all there is to it. Locate the reply you want to refine, go to the bottom of that message, click the rotating arrows to Try Again, and either let ChatGPT produce a fresh version on its own, or steer it with a short note to target the change you want. This simple approach helps you iterate quickly, compare versions, and land on an answer that fits your needs without rewriting your prompt from scratch. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting better results with faster retries.